Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Akbar Hossain Sumon. I have 16 years experience in all around supply chain management, sourcing, purchasing, procurement, stockholder management, operation management, inventory management, coordination, cooperation, logistic, distribution and strategic business planning and development arena. I worked as an assistant manager at Labit Group from March 2020 to 2022. I had to receive monthly requirement from Labit Hospital, Labit Cardiac Hospital, Labit Specialized Hospital and Labit Diagnostics with 26 branches for office furniture, OT equipment, disposable and surgical items by supervising 26 people. I had to ensure proper sourcing, purchase, procurement of 500 different products from 60 plus vendors. I have secured procurement of BDT 1.5 crore per month and development, succession plan and alternative channels. I was responsible for purchasing, sourcing, procurement of COVID product during pandemic situation and ensure safety. I have gained 10 to 15% price benefit from supplier by making comparative analysis and proper negotiation. I had to oversee the inventory management and maintaining proper documentation in MySoap software. I also save 30 to 60 days credit benefit from the vendor and save BDT 5 to 6 lakh per month. Before that, I worked as an assistant manager purchase at Delta Hospital Limited from February 2017 to February 2020. There I worked as department in charge and supervise a team of 3 people, hospital, lab, pharmacy. I had to maintain strong working relationship with 80 plus vendors and closing deal in favor of company. I also ensure sourcing, purchase, procurement of 1000 plus item BDT 1 crore per month. I also made procurement policy which development, operational excellence and efficiency at workplace. I have improved supplier development, management and initiated for capacity building development programs. I had also lead the project of new hospital, 250 bed, ortho BDT 105 crore and ensure sourcing, purchase, procurement of BDT 25 crore for hospital setup. Prior to that, I worked as management trainee at Bidar Feed Mill of Nourish Poultry and Hatchery Limited from April 2014 to January 2017. There I had to ensure SCM of Bidar Feed Mill, approx 70 crore with team of 55 members. I was responsible for communication with 150 plus suppliers for raw material sourcing for 3000 metric ton profit production. I had to collect requisition from 13 bidder farm and established inventory and finished ingredient. I worked as purchase officer at University of Liberal Arts Bangladesh from January 2012 to March 2014. I was appointed as the first man in supply chain department and lead the formation of the department. I also led all local and heavy purchase involved in policy making and referred implementation strategy. I have also secured procurement of BDT 30 lakh per month and improved operational excellence. I worked as store and delivery officer at Tasnim Condensed Milk Limited from November 2010 to December 2011. There I was responsible for ingredient and packing material sourcing, distribution through 100 plus dealers and logistic of 25 vehicles. I also maintain recipe, establishment, proper inventory control and secure enforcement at workplace. I started my career as assistant store officer at Dhaka Shanghai Ceramics Limited from 2006. I have completed PGD SCM in supply chain management from BRIMS in 2019. I have also completed Bachelor of Law in Dhaka International University with CGPA 3.17 out of 4 in 2013. I have done Masters of Social Science of Political Science from Government Gurudwal College in 2007 and BSS Honors in Political Science from Government Gurudwal College in 2006. I am convinced that my knowledge, situational and transformational leadership skill, communication and proactive nature, teamwork and organizing skill, quickly adaptability and interpersonal skill with emotional intelligence equip me with a strong set of valuable competencies that meet your needs. I am eager to combine my previous experience with my passion for new career field in order to hard work and make meaningful contribution to your company. I would welcome the opportunity for a personal interview to discuss all these issues with more details.